Hello everyone, welcome back to 264. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made my custom Commander Cody, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and maybe consider subscribing as well. So let's get into it. So I started off with a 501st Trooper and removed all of the printing, all the blueprinting that is, apart from on the knees, and then I got straight into starting to edit and customize the visor. And then so my first step was to adapt it to the Phase 2 helmet by taking off those extra pieces usually used for the Phase 1 helmets to attach it into the helmet. And then I basically used the wire cutters to sort of thin out where I wanted to cut down on the visor, and then I used the craft knife to actually cut it. And then I also used the craft knife to shorten down the visor a bit. And then I also wanted to make it slightly angled, so I kind of scraped away with the craft knife there, and I think it's turned out pretty good. After that, I just applied my normal clone accessories, and then I wanted to do a little bit on the shoulder with the communications thing. So to do that, I used some packaging, just some clothing. They usually have the labels connected to them, and then I just hot glued that onto the shoulder pad, and I kind of cut the glue down to make it look more accurate to the armor. And then I started adding the orange paint on. So the area on the chest with the stripes and some of the other areas were actually quite hard to paint because they're very straight lines, and it's quite hard to get a straight line even with painting and scraping away paint. So it took many attempts of scraping away and painting more, but eventually I got there. The result I got was worth it, so that was good. And then I moved on to doing the helmet. So the helmet took me a very long time. It was quite difficult to get the perfect paint, but eventually we got there and it was really worth it in the end. And then I had to paint the extra bit under the chin. So the way I did this was basically just paint a bit, let it dry and scrape it off so I get a thin line, and then repeat that over and over again so I get the 6 lines coming out just like that, and it works pretty well. And then I painted the edited visor from earlier orange, and then I just stuck it onto the figure with hot glue. And then I added some extra accessories by using a paper clip, which just so happened to be orange, so that was kind of convenient. And then I just painted them to the correct colors and added the sort of tan stripes on top of the helmet. And then I had to go back to finish up some stuff with the torso, so I repaired some of the orange area, and then I moved on to repairing some of the printing that I'd accidentally scraped off. And I think I lost the footage of this, but then I painted some dark tan, same color I used for the helmet, into the lower torso area, and then it turned out looking like this. And as a final touch, I added his little badge on the upper torso. And then to finish everything off, I just cleaned everything up, and here's the finished figure. So I think it turned out really awesome, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.